Cocky Engine, written by Duck Show Studios. Smudger was off the line, and all he did was laugh. Oh, they think that I'm not worthy, and I just. Duke had heard about Smudger's dilemma. Oh, Smudger, he's off the line, and now I have to help him. And his grace would never approve of Smudger's behavior, said Duke. He puffed along. That slight's really important, Duke, said his driver. I know, and Smudger just has made his own train late. Duke puffed down and backed down the line to where Smudger was. Hey, Dukey, you here? Smudger, don't you understand that this is not a place to be messing around? Oh, me messing around? I just have a lot of fun. Laughed Smudger. Smudger, you made the village people lose their slate, and now I have to help you on the rails and be late with my train. Think about your behavior. My behavior? I'm the one with behavior issues. You're just so perfect all the time. But you gotta laugh. My crash was hilarious. Smudger! Duke pulled Smudger back on the lawn. Now you listen, said Duke. I can't pull this train on my own. You need to help, and I want no cockiness, no going fast, no taking turns quickly, and no spills, because spills matter. Smudger smiled, and then he said, 3, 2, 1, go. Ugh, you have been a disgrace to his grace, said Duke. No, I haven't. You just don't know what's funny. Your sense of humor's off, buddy, said Smudger. Smudger helped. They reached a turn. Smudger pushed forward. Smudger, do you want me to crash? Well, honestly, if you crash, that means you're out of my hair. Smudger, if I crash, then you'll have to help me back onto the rails, said Duke as he slammed on his brakes. You need to be careful with your cargo, and even more careful with passengers, equally as careful with both. Now you need to realize that spills matter. How many times have you come off the line? Not enough, said Smudger. Duke puffed along with Smudger behind. Smudger raced pushed hard. Stop pushing, you impudent scallywag, said Duke. Smudger just laughed. Stop your insufferable laughter. Impudence. Duke puffed along. Smudger tried to rush again and tried to ride roughly. Stop it! Stop it, I say, said Duke. You need to learn. Learn? I already learned everything I need to know. I'm very educated, Dukey. You just shut up. The train puffed along. Just before Duke couldn't bear it, They puffed into the last station. That night, Smudger and Bertram were already in the sheds. "Why do you look so happy, Smudger?" said Bertram. "Oh, I'm happy because Duke isn't here. Get it? He's gone. Duke's gone." "Smudger, that is not how to treat Duke. He was on the line before both of us." "That doesn't make him better. If anything, it makes us better." Duke puffed in. "Smudger, your behavior today was unacceptable," he thundered. "Oh, and yours was?" "I was just doing things the fun way. I was laughing all the way, if you will." The three engines were back at the shed, just how things were on the Mid-Sodor Railway.